I believe like if tonight is your first time of joining us in this live training section, all you need to do right now is go to the comment section and write it's my first time. So tonight we're going to be learning a whole lot of things. We are going to be learning a whole lot of things. First, we are going to learn how to trade DEX coins like a pro, how to trade DEX coins like a pro, starting from scratch to the end. We are also going to be learning how to, going to be having a lot of insight on the U trading. Sorry, before we kick off this meeting a bit late because we are just having the End Traders Batch 2 trade. We just finished our class, which was supposed to end by 9 p.m., but we encroached to the time we're supposed to have this meeting. So if I want to say before we kick off, if you want to join the End Traders Batch 2 training, before we start this training right now, it's still much available. We are going to be helping you to learn something that is very, very powerful. It's something that what the mentorship, you're not paying any dime for the training. It's completely free. Once you have your CVIP 3 and above, you can join the End Traders Batch 2. And this Batch 2 is going to be ending till December. So we started September, and we are going to run up till December. And the target is that every member joining this batch, our target is to help you achieve $100,000 profit. $100,000 profit from the End Traders Summit or the training that is currently ongoing right now. And anybody can do it. So all you need to do right now, in the last batch, batch 1, we have students who have done over $400,000. I mean, $400,000. It's not a new thing. Most of you guys saw it. Most of you guys have seen them. So have some students do 300,000 plus, 200,000 plus, and etc. Series of students have done over 100,000. Right now we have a new batch, and the minimum goal is at least 100,000 because we have limited time. We just have less than 3 months to hit this profit. Right now, and setup is going to set up next week. Right now, we are still doing training. Make sure you join us before next week. Get your CVIP 3 and join us. So tonight I'm going to be inviting Mr. Hassan. Hassan is going to actually take us on another journey of another journey to help us make money, leveraging on sorry, Mr. Chibika, I've not made you a co-host. Just a moment, let me do that quickly. Co-host. Yeah. So Hassan is going to actually be teaching us on what we started yesterday. We're going to be looking at diving into another very, very insightful moments. I want him to start from this class so we can have his time to digest every single thing. And tonight we're going to be learning how to trade DEX coins, how to do the analysis, a lot of things you're going to be teaching us tonight. Hassan, I want to be sure you can hear me clearly. Please just say if you can hear me, indicate by letting me know you can hear me.
Hi.
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, clearly, very clear.
Okay, beautiful. So I want you to pay attention. He's going to share his screen and he's going to walk us through step by step. Once we are done, he's going to actually try to take tonight's training from A to Z. And once we are done, I'm going to actually come here and give us something. I won't call it an expo, but I'm going to be giving us something very, very powerful when he's done with his class. So make sure you always stay to the end of the meeting. There is one thing I want to beg you before we start this meeting. See me, I'm currently with my smartphone. I have another phone I'm using to do this live streaming. I have another phone right here, and I have my laptop just by my side. So everybody get ready. Pick up your notepad to learn. So cryptocurrency is vast and it's wide. I've communicated a lot of things. We've done Launchpad, we've done Launchpool, we've done this DEX trading, we've done a training on it before several times. All we are trying to do is to make sure we empower you, that an ordinary person who just came across us will be able to learn, gain value, what you literally going to pay money outside to learn. You can learn it right here and start using them to make money outside using the robot to trade. Right here, all of us are using robot to trade and make money. And while you're using the robot to trade, you training robot to trade, you are learning the strategy. You should be able to gain in an extra insight in the crypto world that can help you make money even if you don't have any capital or you have limited capital. So Hassan, the floor is over to you. You can kick off the meeting right now.
All right.
Thank you. You can share your screen. Right? Beautiful.
Yeah. So here is how to go about it. First of all, if I want to buy a coin under BNB on Trust Wallet, so I'll go to CoinMarketCap.
So let's know what you want to cover today. Just give us a brief of what I want you want to cover.
Good evening, everyone. What I want to cover is how to make research on the coin to buy, a good coin to buy. Then after you have made your research, then how to buy. After making your research on the very good coin to buy, what to do to know that this is a very good coin or not, even if it's a scam coin or a good coin. So after you have made your research on how to buy, the authenticity of the coin, then I'll now show you how to buy. So that's what I want to write. Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
So first of all, you need the apps to trade BNB coin. You need this. I'm coming. You need this Trust Wallet. You need to download this Trust Wallet. Then also you need this Ape Swap. This is where you check the authenticity of your coin, Ape Swap. Then also you need this Coin Market Cap. Okay, you need this Coin Market Cap. Those are the three apps. This CoinGecko. This app, the function, they do the same function. You can search your coin here to know the authenticity. So let me go first to Coin Market Cap if I want to buy a coin. So from this Coin Market Cap, I'll first go to google.com to search for newly listed coin. New listed coin. So I'll click on this first one, new listed coin on Coin Market Cap. This one. This one. So when I click on it, I'll wait for it to load. So this is where it will take me. So those are the coins. These are look at this coin now. You can see when you scroll to the left, you see this one just launched 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago. So those are new coins. So the one I want to go into is the one under BNB's chain. You can see we have, look at this, you can see blockchain. So under this blockchain, you can see Ethereum, Solana, BNB. You can see those are the coins. But I'm going for the one under BNB. Because why I prefer BNB is that BNB coin, they are easier and very good to hold for long term. But Solana coin, they are highly volatile. It's very risky to trade Solana coin. But the safe coin to trade from my research is BNB coin. BNB coin, they are very good to trade for long term, and for short term, they are very good to trade. So that's why I prefer BNB. So what I do is that after my coin, so I'll look at the name of the coin, then the chain. So I'll choose one under BNB. Look at this one, this EcoPack. This other BNB, this EcoPack. EcoPacks, this other BNB. It was launched 5 hours ago. So what I'll do is I'll look for
We can't hear you.
Look for the coin.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
okay.
Go ahead.
So I'll look for the volume. Look at volume. So those are their volumes of each coin. This is their volume. This is their volume. Then I'll look for the blockchain, then the market cap. This is the market cap. These are the market caps of each coin. These are the market caps. You can see these are the market cap of each coin. So anything you want to start, make sure you are looking at this. What's written here to determine what this the meaning of this is. What's written here is to represent what you are seeing here. So these are the volumes, the market
Now,
cap.
somebody's asking
And
what
the
is market cap. So explain to them. We have people who don't know what is market
okay,
cap and don't know these things.
okay, market cap is the total buying and selling. I mean the liquidity of that coin. As people are buying, maybe if the current market cap of that coin is 1,000, for example. So if somebody had $10,000, the market cap will increase to $11,000. If you buy a coin, maybe if you buy at $1,000 as $1,000 market cap, and you buy the coin, so when the coin increase in 100% value, your money will increase 100% value. So the higher the market cap and the timing that you bought the coin will determine your value of your coin. For example, let me make it clear. Maybe a coin is trading at 1 million market cap. So I bought at exactly when it was trading on 1 million market cap. So the coin now rise to 5 million market cap. My total value will increase by 500% because I bought when it was at 100 or at 1 million market cap. So someone that buy at 1 million market cap and someone that buy at 3 million market cap, you can't compare their profit over time. Because someone that bought at 1 million market cap he bought at early stage than the person that bought at 3 million market cap. So I usually try to buy coin under 1 million or below 1 million market cap, so that before people get to know it, before it gets popular in the market, you have bought the dip, you have bought at the cheaper price, they'll be waiting for people to buy. So I don't like to buy coin on 100 million, 20 million. No, it will take time before the coin value. So you only look for coin that has low market cap, lower market like 1 million and below, and 10 million and below. So it will give you much profit over time in a very short time. But if you look at this, let me show you this coin now. Look at this. Let me look for one of those. Okay, let me start from this EcoPack. Look at this EcoPack now. It was launched 5 hours ago. And the volume current is 26,000. This volume means the price that people buy money as the money that is in the strength current, that volume. The current volume as the buying and selling. So this is market cap. The market cap is 5 million. So I won't go for this. I won't go for this. You can see the market cap is 5.5 million. I won't go for this. So I'll look for, actually it's very good. You can buy the one 5.5 million. It's okay, but I prefer lower. I prefer to go lower. So let me check, let me look for another coin. Look at this jobless coin. The name, they didn't write the market cap, so I won't go for this. Let me look for another one. This is Zenkira. Zenkira is 1 million market cap. It's still very good to buy, but I prefer lower. Look at this PUG. I bought this yesterday. This PUG, you can see that the market cap is 90,000. This is the coin I prefer to buy because it will give me profit over a very short period of time. To give me profit. Look, let me show you this PUG. I bought it.
Your network is cracking. Your network is cracking.
What about now?
Better.
PUG, I bought it yesterday. I will show you on my Trust Wallet. I bought it yesterday. Okay, it's okay now. So you can see that the market cap of this PUG is 198,000 currently. Then the volume is 449,000. So I usually buy the coin that has more volume than the market cap. Meaning there's enough money to sustain that market and to make it pump in a very short period of time. Look at this now. The market cap is 198,000 and the volume is 449,000. So I usually like a coin that has more volume, low market cap. So to give you much profit over time in a very short period of time because there is more volume than the market cap. Many people are buying. That means the coin will rise in a very short period of time and to give you a big profit in a very short period of time. And if you can hold for a long time, this coin now, you get to million market cap, you get to 100 million over time, more than 100 million over time. Look at it, you can see that there are some coins that has more than, look at this is 2,000 million billion, 2 billion market cap. This Turing chain, you can see that it's 2 billion market. So the more they are the market, if you buy this coin now at this particular time, you are buying at the cheaper price because it was launched, you can see 1 day ago. I told you I bought it yesterday, and the volume is 449,000. So this is what I want in a coin. This is the first thing I look for: higher volume, lower market cap. So when I get this, and I click on the coin, look at this plugin, I'll tap on it. This is the current price. So if you want to know where the coin is trading, where you can buy it, you click on this market. You click on this market. So maybe if you want to buy on exchange, when you click on this market, you know the only place you can trade the coin. They will tell you on this market, that's the only place you can trade it. So let me click on the market and see. So you click on the market, you can see. You see, you can only buy it on PancakeSwap only for now. Only, can you see? You can only buy it on PancakeSwap. Meaning any coin you can buy on PancakeSwap, you can buy it on Trust Wallet. If they list Binance or Bybit, that means you can also buy it on exchange. But since it's only PancakeSwap for now, because all those coins they usually start with Web3 first. So when they gain attention now, and the coin rise to a certain that many people know about the coin, that's when they now list on exchanges. That means the whole world will now start trading it. But by then, you that bought on Web3, you already bought the cheapest price before the thing go viral. You already bought at the cheapest price because you caught it early here. So I'll now click on the coin. I can just click on overview. Then I'll scroll down. This way I'll copy the contract address. I'll look for the contract address of that coin. You can see this is the contract. You can see contract. Contract. So this is the contract address of the coin. So this is what you need to get the coin on your Trust Wallet. So you now copy this. This is the copy. You copy this thing. That's the contract address. This is where you copy it. You click on these two boxes to copy the coin. So after you have copied it, I'll now go to Trust Wallet. You can click on Trust Wallet here. There is Trust Wallet here. I prefer to go to Trust Wallet directly. So let me go to Trust Wallet to show you the coin. Let me go to Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. So this is the you can even search it. Let me this is the coin. You can see it here. But this is the coin. Can you see? So I bought it yesterday. I've already make profit of $8 currently. Because I bought it at around $10 yesterday. Just let me try the coin. So this is the coin currently. But if you want to add it to your wallet, if you want it to show like all this coin, you click on this search bar. Okay, let me use this to illustrate it. You click on this search bar at the top of the screen. Click on the search bar. So this is where you paste the contract address.
If you want to get that arrow, you can go back to your screen so you can click on that annotation arrow. I know that's what you're looking for.
Yeah.
Can you see it? Look at it at the bottom. You can now go back to Trust Wallet. It will now be now in Trust Wallet. If you check at the bottom, it's just right there at that bottom.
Okay.
It won't allow you to move until you click on it again. Go to the bottom again. Now you have to look somewhere at the bottom. That is where it is. Or you would have drag it up so you can know where it is.
Okay.
Go back again. Drag it up. Drag it up. Up. Keep it one side. I don't know why it's not showing on yours. Keep it high. Keep it where you can always note it. No, that place is hidden. Keep it by the other side where you can always note it. At the top there. You don't hide them more. Bring it down a bit. No. By the side.
By the left side.
Yes, leave it there so you can always locate it when you open your Trust Wallet.
Okay.
Can you locate it now?
It's not showing there.
Okay, just go ahead. Just go ahead.
Yeah, so click on this. You click on this search bar. You paste the contract address. You can need to. I've not copied it.
You didn't copy it. Yeah.
Let me copy it. I see. So to show you the coin, you click on this, you tap on it. So this is where you see the coin. So you can click all to see the current chart. You can see it's a new coin. But I prefer to go to PooCoin to see more details on the chart. So let me go to PooCoin. So I'll click on this back, then I'll click on discovery. You can see the discovery at the bottom of the screen. Home, trending, swap, and discovery. So I'll click on that discovery.
Just to throw emphasis. So what he's trying to say is when you copy the contract address, you come here, always go to PooCoin to research about the coin, see information about the coin. Go ahead.
So before I even forgot something, before you even buy the coin, you know, I told you need this app, this space, ape space.
Yes.
So you need it to check the authenticity of the coin.
Go ahead.
Go to this ape. Now click on from this search bar, I'll paste the contract address there. So it will tell me more details of the coin. So because this is beginner, I'll tap on it. So I'll wait for it to load. Because some coin are honeypots. Honeypot means you'll be able to buy, but you won't be able to sell. So you have to make sure that your coin is not honeypot.
That is scam coins.
Yeah, scam coin, yeah. Scam coin, they tell you it's honeypot. So when this thing tell you that this coin is honeypot, don't buy, just keep away from it, don't buy. So to tell you more details about it, let me slow down. Okay, so this is the coin. You can see this is the details of the coin. Market cap 190K, volume 779K, liquidity 70K. So this liquidity means that there is enough money in the from the dev, the owner of the coin, you can buy and sell. So since they have liquidity, so currently they have 3,900 holders, which means they are still very few for now. So you look at the age, 6 days. The coin is just 6 days old, but they were launched on CoinMarketCap just yesterday. But the creation of the coin is 6 days old. This tax is 4%. That means any transaction you do, they will charge you 4%. It's okay. If you see any coin that they tell you that the tax is 100%, just run away from it. That means if you swap the coin, you won't be able to withdraw because they will take away all the 100% of the coin. Just make sure that the tax is no more than highest 9%, 8%, 7%. The tax, this tax. So after that, you scroll down, you see the coin. You can see honeypot. Look at the details. This is the details of the coin. You can see honeypot, low risk, airdrop. Airdrop means that whether the coin is an airdrop coin or you know get to, but all these ones are not important. But the most important thing is you check this buy tax. You can see buy tax, sell tax is very cheap, 4%. It's very okay. So you look for this transfer possible. This transfer possible means that you will be able to transfer your coin. You won't be able to swap. So if they take this as red, it means that is a coin to you need to move away from this coin. You are not supposed to buy this. But since they take it green, it shows that it's a good coin to buy. You can transfer. Sell limits. There's no sell limits. You can sell as much as you like. You can see activate mechanism. Those are not important. But the most important thing is this transfer possible. This transfer possible. If it says yes, don't go for the coin. Don't go for the coin. So make sure that this buying and selling, the rate is not too high. From 1%, 2%, 4% to 10% is okay. If it's more than 10%, don't go for the coin. So those are the more important things. A blacklist. If you see the coin say yes on blacklist, don't go for it. So these three things are very important. Very, very important. So this transfer possible.
Honeypot, blacklist, buy task and sell task.
Exactly. Those are the most
transfer possible. Yes.
Yes. So since they are tick on green, show that yes, this is a good coin to buy. This is a good coin to buy. Now, since you have verified your details, you now go to Trust Wallet to buy the coin. Let me go to Trust Wallet. You know why I prefer PooCoin is that sometimes the main Trust Wallet coin will not show you the real value. Look at this BDCC coin. You can see that it's showing $23 the value.
Mm.
You can see that it's showing that the real value is $23.
Mm.
But if it's not the real value, if you swap it, you won't get this value. So this is a fake value. So you go to PooCoin to check the real value. That's why I prefer PooCoin. So let me go to PooCoin and show you. I'll click on this discovery at the bottom of the screen. Home, trading, swap, and discovery. So I'll click on this discovery. I'll search PooCoin.app on that search bar. PooCoin.app. No space. No space. I'll search for it. Now wait for it to load. Then I'll click on connect. Trust Wallet. So I'll click on wallet. You can click on load. So everything will load. Load new token. Wait for it to load. It is the total value of the coin. Let me look for that BDCC coin that I was telling you. Loading. Look at it here. Look at it, BDCC. You can see that the value is $3.7. Value, but Trust Wallet is showing me that it's $3. So this is where you get the real value. This PooCoin will show you the actual value. If I start that coin now, what I'll get is $3, not $3. So that's why I prefer to check to use PooCoin to do my transaction. So let me show you that coin that I bought that plug-in. This is it. Plug-in. Tap on it. You can see the coin that has been pumping since yesterday. It's been pumping since yesterday. And it just started. I know in very few days now, this coin will rise more than expectation. More than expectation. More than expectation. So if I want to buy this coin now, okay, let me swap all of my coin. Let me swap all of my coin. I'll click on this. This is not showing you that notification. Okay. I'll click on this wallet. Let me just swap one of my coins to show you guys. Okay, let me swap this BTC Humanity. I'll click on the coin, BTC Humanity. Then I'll click on trade. So when I click on trade, you can see that BTC Humanity is at the bottom and BNB is at the top, meaning I want to use BNB to buy. But if I want to withdraw the coin, I will click on this middle arrow here so that the BTC Humanity will be at the top, then BNB will be at the bottom. So first of all, you need to click on approve because they charge small amount of BNB, not only 1.2 cents. BNB transactions are very cheaper. That's why I prefer BNB also. Then they have many of ways to go for them. Their transactions are very cheap. Because the transaction is not even up to 2 cents. It's because I'm swapping the coin for the first time. That's why it's showing me approve. But if you have been swapping, it will just show you swap. But since it's the first time, to show you approve. Then after approving, I wait for it to load. You can see swap. You see, it will show swap. The swap will come in green. Then look at this now. If I want to sell everything, I'll click on max. See, this is the value I'll get in BNB 0.0128. If I want to sell everything. If I don't want to sell everything, I have 101,000 of the coin. If I want to sell 50,000, I'll just tap on it to edit. I'll edit it. I'll make sure it's 50,000. For example, if I don't want to sell all, actually, it's not advisable to sell all your coin if you are trading on Web3. Do you know why? Because if you sell all your, if you leave your, maybe you sell and you leave some parts, maybe for example, you buy a coin of worth of $100 and the coin rise to a price of $20,000, for example. You now decide to swap like 15,000, leave 5,000. That 5,000 in the future, it can even give you times 10 of that 20,000 in future. Because you can't predict the price where this Web3 coin can go in future. Because
Correct.
many people are buying it. You can't predict the price. So you need to swap. It's not advisable to swap all. You can just swap little. Because in future you might regret it if you sell all. So you click on swap. You can see that the current, before I cancel it, look at the current value of BNB that was there, 0.0013. So now I want to swap the value of this 0.0064. So when I click on this swap now, let's see what it will tell me. Click on approve. Wait for it to load. Just be watching the BNB. You see that the value will increase and the value of that coin will decrease. Wait for it. Can you see? Can you see? The
Go
value of the
ahead.
BNB is now 0.007. The value of the coin is now 51,000. That means I've sold half of the coin. I've sold it back to BNB. So if I want to buy this coin now, I'll click on this arrow again. I'll make sure that BNB is at the top, the coin at the bottom. Then you now have 0.0077 of BNB. I can start to say, okay, I want to buy the coin worth of 0.006 of the BNB. So I'll click on 0.006. Actually, you need to know something. You need to leave at least 0.002 worth of BNB. So that you'll be using it to swap your coin because any swapping they charge, but the charge is not even up to 1 cent, but you need to leave at least 0.002 if you want to buy coin or if you want to buy or sell. Because if you don't have BNB, there's no way you can swap. Control all these Web3 coin under BNB chain. So since I have 0.007, I'll need to leave like 0.002 for gas fee in case I want to swap it back. So I want to buy the one of 0.005, then I'll click on swap. Approve. Can you see? That means I'll buy the coin. So that's how to buy and sell. So if I want to check the details of the coin, I'll click on this wallet. Okay, these are all my coins, so I can see them here.
Show them how
So
to
this is
start
the name.
show them how to add the wallet as a favorite. In case you have multiple coins.
Okay, if you have multiple coins, so there's star here. Look at this free coin now. This free coin, look at the middle, the right. I'll just click on this star. So when I click on this star, I'll come to this star red. I'll see it here. Look at this free coin. Can you see? So if you want to check the history of the coin you have browsed currently, just click on this history to show you all the coin you have clicked on recently. If you want to see the chart, how the coin is moving, just tap on any of the coin, like this B5 token now. I'll click on it, then I'll scroll down to check the charts. So the chart will tell you if the coin is going up or is going down. This is the chart. I just scroll through your hand to zoom the coin. Then if you want to know how people are buying and selling, just scroll down, you see it here. So you click on this wallet, you see the ones you have bought in history. Because I bought this $2, this is the current value, $4. So I bought this $1 current value. So I bought them since 2023. You can see the details. I bought this coin since 2023. So these are the details. So let me show you one of the coin, the TRP. So you can even search the name of your coin here. If you don't have the contract address, if the coin is a well-known coin, you can search it without the contract address. But if it's a new coin, you need contract address. The contract address is what will show you the identity of the coin. So if you want to check the DRB, this coin, I bought it 5 years back. Let me show you the details of the coin. Let me click on wallet. Look at, I bought as $8 then. See the current value, $496. I bought it in 2023. Can you see? I bought with $8, $409. Now imagine I bought with $10,000. What will be the value now? Can you see? I bought with $9. Let's see the current value, $451. So Memecoin can give you what you don't imagine, because over time, if you can hold for a long time, if you first thing, just know the authenticity of the coin. So when you know that this coin is a very good coin to buy it at a very cheap price, they hold for a long time. You can get more than 100x, 200x of the value that you bought it. So Memecoin are very good to buy. So you just buy and hold. These are the details, how to check the coin. So you can see, okay, let me click on this coin. When you can see, look at this info. You can see more details there, info. You see the market cap, total supply, the liquidity. So if you want to know the holders of the coin, you can click on here, LBR holders. It will tell you how many people are holding the coin and the owner of the coin. So once you need to know the highest holder, the percentage, I will show you here. Let me wait for it. So that you know that they will not put the coin in the future. The highest holder of the coin. Let me see the percentage. Okay. I'll just try to load a little bit. Okay. Still loading.
So what he's trying to show us right now is to show you a coin, so you can be able to avoid the coin being rug pull or being scam. Like
Exactly.
rug pull means scam. So it's going to show you if sometimes the dev guys, which are the people that created the coin, will be holding almost all the coins.
Exactly.
They'll
Large
be
portion of
holding
the
a
coin.
large portion of the coin. And when they're holding a large portion of the coin is, they're likely to rug pull the coin. Once they sell off all the coins, the coin will turn to rug pull. So it's trying to show you where you can be able to see the holders of the coin and the dev guys who are holding the coins. Something those who have been in my Digin class, we know I've talked about that on Solana meme coins, looking at but this one is on BNB coins, and you can do it on any coin at all. So I think it's still loading. It always takes time to load from here.
Okay, let me go back again now. Take his
No, it will have leave it. It will load. Sometimes it does like that. It takes time to load, but just allow it to, you know, it will eventually open up. Right, while we're waiting for it to finish loading, let me just say this. Why are we doing why do we choose to buy desk coins, like decentralized exchange coins? These are new coins that have been created recently, as you've seen. Most of these coins are just 1 day old, less than 1 week old, and etc. And they have low market cap, as you can see. They have low liquidity, that people have not started. The coin have not gone viral. A lot of people have not purchased the coin. So this coin have the potential of making a lot of money for you. I've shown you guys countless times. A time ago in 2021, I put $20 in a coin. I made about $20,000 plus in that particular coin. And there are so many coins we've done here. You know, buying, somebody put $2 in a coin, Mrs. Blessing, a woman. And that coin made her about $5,000 plus just with $2 and etc. So you can buy. It is not a get rich quick scheme either, but it's something that you can start with low capital. It's not like trading that requires you coming with big capital to trade. You can be able to raise money from doing this. And right now you are learning how to analyze it yourself, like you're learning how to do the analysis yourself. You can be able to check it yourself and etc. So all we are trying to do here is to teach you ways you can be able to play safe when you are accessing these coins, you are checking the coins, how to be sure that you are safe, how to be sure that you are buying the right coin, not just getting a contact address. Even if somebody send you any of these coins to buy, you should be able to do the analysis, quick analysis on those coins yourself. You should be able to check. You should be able to check if the coin is a rug pull, because sometimes people create coins. Creating coins is not difficult. Just give ChatGPT access for you. She's going to create a coin for you within few minutes. So anybody can create a coin and rug pull the coin, like scam you with the coin. So when somebody give you a coin like that, tell you go and buy this coin, do your analysis, your due diligence on that coin yourself. So we want to give you the knowledge, how you can do it, and yourself, how you can be able to research on the coin yourself, know if it's a coin is legit or you have the potential or possibility of making you something big. And there's something he said here that I want to throw emphasis on. Very, very important. It happened to me several times. Never sell off all your desk coins, all these coin, those coin we normally call shit coin. Don't sell it off. When you make profit, even if you make $100,000 profit, sell and leave at least $1 or $2 or $5, depending on how much you've made. Let's say you buy a coin with $2, $10, and you make like $100, for example. Don't say, I need the money and sell off the whole $100. Leave like $5 or $10 inside, because that same $5 or $10 you are leaving there can turn to $100,000 or $10,000 in the nearest future. You don't even know when. Just leave it dormant there. You have taken your profit, but leave money always in your wallet. So that is it. All right, I think it's still taking time to load. Probably you might just have to explain it. If it's not loading, let's just give it like 2 more minutes. Okay, you've ended it. Just go back and maybe explain what you want to explain visually. But then go ahead.
Let me see if I can do that on this. Okay, let me go through this place.
Where are you now?
I think it's from the end. So But what I want
Oh,
to show you is that let me go to that place.
connect again.
Others.
Connect your wallet first. Let's see.
Okay, connect. Okay. Just wallet. Others. So from that page, you see where they write holders. I think there's network maybe from the end. So you see holders. So when you click on the holders, it show you the highest holders and the percentage he has on that
Now,
coin.
show
So
how to get to that place again so that I can be able to know.
okay.
Use like the ape coin to do that. Like this, you pick a coin to do that.
Okay. Let me like this stressful is
You can open it again.
okay.
So once you open it, you are going to pull coin. When you open your Trust Wallet,
Go to discovery. From the
then you
discovery,
go
you
to
see a search bar.
discovery. Yeah.
Yeah. You see a search bar at the top of the screen. So that's why for the first time you type it, book on this app. But after you have typed it, the next time you see it, you just see it on the history. You don't need to type again. Let me go back.
Yeah.
You can see it here now. You can see it here, recent. So you don't
Yeah.
need to search again for the first time. You just click on any of the book on. So you click on connect, use Trust Wallet, then choose already you see something like this. You click on the info. Click on the info. You click on the orders.
You can the coin holders.
Yes. Okay, I think it's okay now.
Beautiful. Which coin you select then?
I think it's noticed. Okay, let me go back.
Because it's giving us info on BNB. If it's taking time to load, you might open your Trust Wallet again. Then like might close the Trust Wallet completely and open it again.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see if it's gonna respond because obviously not your network.
Connect
Connects. So
info.
you go to info.
Yeah, go to info then. Go to orders. The name of the you see orders. Advanced orders.
Have you clicked on holders?
Yes, it's loading
Okay.
now.
Oh,
Okay.
fine. Now you can see holders 2409 at the top
So
there.
this is where we are going. So these orders is where we are coming. 1 year holders.
Mm.
So I want you to, it's still loading. It's from their end. They usually have issues sometimes.
So now, when you buy a coin, when you buy a desk coin, and then you discover that sometimes you buy and you want to swap and it's not going through, what are the possible things and what should be done? Maybe you want to swap then, and maybe there is much traffic on the coin. What do you think the person should do?
No, if you use PooCoin is very fast. No matter the traffic, PooCoin is very fast. So if you notice there is much traffic, you can use VPN. It makes it
Okay,
to move
I
faster.
think you answered what you answered it well. You can use VPN. That's what I wanted to hear from you.
You can VPN, yeah.
If you notice there is too much traffic, you can use VPN. I think VPN is going to assist to solve it. And if you're using Pancake Swap, you can increase the slippage.
Yes. The charges on Pancake is much higher, but the one on
Sure.
PooCoin is very cheaper and
Yeah.
very fast. So PooCoin has a lot of potential, lot of this to go to. Okay, I'll click on orders. It's still loading. So you click on these orders to show you the highest orders. To start from the number one, the highest orders. So if the highest orders is more than 40% or 50%, don't go for the coin. So the highest order needs to be below 30%. You can see 25% highest orders, 30%, 20, 15%, they are good coin to buy. You can even see 40, but if it goes above 40%, don't buy. Don't buy. But the best one are the one that are between 15, 25%, 30%, and 6%. Those are a good coins to go for. If you see the ISO that's on 35%, 25%, they are very good coin. So those are the things to know. So when you click on this so that you see the details, because I think it's network from the end. That's why it's
And
not showing.
then meaning that even if the highest holders sell off, that the coin is not going to crash to zero. And
Exactly.
secondly, the dev guys mean that they don't have intention to scam you of the coin. They also buy the way you bought, and they bought fractions, giving other people to also other investors to buy to pump the coin.
Exactly.
Okay, you can be rounding up your class because I have one or two things to just show on. You can just summarize for tonight while I then do the total summary.
So that's just all about. I think I've explained everything about trust wallets, how to buy, how to. So that's just. But if I want, should I transfer BNB to this wallet? How to transfer from other exchange to trust wallet or
I think it's going to
is it
take a little
necessary?
bit time. Maybe in next class we'll talk about that. So, but I wanted us to look more on how to research on coins today, how to research good coins, every possible means of researching good coins today. But I think we've done justice to part of it. Maybe subsequently we might look at it again. So let me just say one or two things right now before we go. You can stop sharing the screen. So let me just say this. Okay, to stop sharing now, I told you how to do about it. Can you see your screen? Let me assist you. Don't worry. I'm gonna assist you right now. Are you still sharing?
Okay, I'll stop sharing.
Okay, beautiful. All right, now thank you so much, Mr. Hassan. All right, guys, this is it. We are going to be doing this at least 2 or 3 times in a week. We're going to be learning outside our trading journey, how to make money with trading, how to do trading, set up our trade. We are going to be looking at DEX trading, looking at so many other ways. Cryptocurrency is very vast, and there are so many ways to make money in crypto. So tonight is supposed to be for people in the 10K group, in the inner group. We just finished the traders training just about immediately I started this meeting. We started by 8 p.m., finished by 9 p.m. Now, I want to say this. If you get your yogas, you want to join the team, you're not part of us already, get your yogas, and then chat up an admin to add you to the mentorship group. We have the inner group and the 10K group. That is where you're going to be trained. That is where you're going to be receiving the training. Trainings like this are supposed to be for the inner group and the 10K group precisely. And subsequently, from next week, we're going to be taking it to the inner group and the 10K group. That's where we're going to be learning a whole lot, digesting a whole lot, right? Lastly, the end traders group is still very, very much available, and the training is currently ongoing right now, and it's for you. I said that the goal is to help newbies, people who have joined us, make $10,000 from now till December. Now, literally, the batch 2 just started this September. Yeah, this September. Between now to December, $100,000 rather. We want to help you make your first $100,000. And you might be looking at this $100,000 might look too small for some persons and look way bigger to some other persons. It's achievable. If it's not too big for you and you want to join us, you can be able to join us. And you are not burdening yourself with how much trading capital you need. No, it's completely end trading, right? And to get started, all you need to do is what? Get CVIP3, reach out to our admins, and they will add you to the group. Now, you don't have capital, but you are in this team. These are the things, what you just learned right now, and other 2 months you're going to be learning subsequently. Those in the inner group who say they join the inner group, but they don't have capital. These are some of the things you are going to be doing to make money. Now you've learned how to research a coin. You can do the research on CoinMarketCap, then come back to confirm the coin, and then you can be able to as well buy the coin and make money off it. Now, I expect some of you to, I'm expecting to see feedback from some of you guys doing this on your own, and more trainings are coming by next week. So I want to see you guys tomorrow. Today is Friday already. Tomorrow is Saturday. There won't be training tomorrow. We're going to be resting tomorrow. So if you have any question, any form of questions, head over right now and hit up the admins. They're going to answer all your questions. Most importantly, we're going to be having a review lecture, those who are in the end traders group, hopefully tomorrow or next. And I'll be waiting for you to be part of this community. Let's ride on this journey to create history or to recreate history. The history I'm talking about is that in the batch 1 of the end traders group, we have students who did over $400,000 in 3 months. And this batch 2, we are bringing it to the barest minimum of $100,000 in the next 3 months. It's now less than 3 months. And if you want to join us to do this, get your CVIP3. All the trainings are already in our group chats in Telegram channel, and chat up the admins to add it up right now. And that is it. So I'm going to be taking questions for what you've just learned tonight. If you have questions, then go ahead. And Hassan is also here. We're going to take questions in the next 5 minutes. Just go right now to the comment section and ask the questions. I want to see comment section. Let me get my laptop. Head over to the comment section and ask the question. Okay. Okay. Please, can we have the video on this class so that we can be able to be going through it? Okay, definitely. You're going to have access to the video. I'm going to repost all the videos very soon. Okay, so this person have answered you. I think when he's talking, we have answered this. Can we still buy that coin that he taught us on? We'll research on other coins. Of course, from what you have taught, you should be able to research on the coin and know if you should see a good buy for you, but you can. So we're going to be doing more in-depth later on, subsequently on other classes. We're going to be going more in details to teach you other things you need to know. Okay, somebody said I need the contact address on this, but he showed you how to get the contact address. You just go to the CoinMarketCap, search for the coin, and then from there you can be able to get the contract address. Please, when are we having our Launchpad class? Is step by step. Later on, when it's time for Launchpad, now we are doing desks. We're going to actually enter Launchpad. Please tell the admin to reply questions. Admins, you are right here listening to them. They say you should reply give them instant reply to their question. What is the name of the app to check out? This one, another question, I've covered it. I don't know the app he was asking of. Okay. That is it. I'm trying to get new questions. I've answered these ones. All right, now I'm going to repost the video so that you can actually go through it. And then if you have any question from there, you can be able to, please, can we get more of the class? Of course, next week is back-to-back, 3 times minimum in a week. We're going to be able to have this this class, but it's not going to be for everybody. Like it's going to be for those who are already in the inner group, in the 10K group. All right. So thank you so much, Hassan. Thank you so much, other mentors who are here. And if you are here, Chibika, are you still right here? Okay, I think
Yes,
it's
of course. Yes, of course.
all right, all right. So I think this past time we might not be able to teach. I know you were ready to actually teach something tonight, but it's past time already. Next week we're going to continue our training. We can do recorded trainings and send. So I think Hassan have taken our time tonight, and he did a good job. Hassan, thank you so much. Thank you every other admins. Thank you every other host and co-host. God bless you so much. See you guys next week by 9 p.m. next week.